glorious January morning. I can't actually believe how blue the skies are. I don't mind the cold weather, not at all. Don't mind the cold weather, I don't mind it one little bit as long as the skies are blue. Anyway, Karen Millen has arrived, my favourites. I've not done an order for a while for a few kind of basic pieces. So obviously Christmas came and there's loads of glitz and glam and everything like that. But actually, I have to say, Karen Millen are one of my favourite brands for perfectly timeless, beautiful kind of everyday wear that lasts a long time and looks fabulous. Majority of things I've got is knitwear. So I thought, well, let's open them up and I'll show you what I've got. And then I'll follow with a try-on haul. Beautiful green. I'm so ready as well for, I won't say spring fashion, but I love like the different colour palettes obviously as the seasons come in. And I've chosen a few things that are, obviously I've got quite a lot of beige, which is just lovely, but I've got some navies, which is very on trend at the minute, and then this is one of my favourite colour blues, and then I've got a dress with a bit of navy on and some blue as well. So let's start with the dress. This is called the Viscose Blend Rib Knit Polo Top Mid-Axi Dress, and I got a size small in this one. But how beautiful is that? So I love kind of like a polo neck anyway. Anything polo neck and long sleeves for me is just super, super a big thumbs up, because I think it looks really classy. It's super timeless look as well. Very kind of like varsity style, very preppy style, and I am here for that. I'm obsessed with every single thing about this dress. It is very, very me, everything about it. I love the length. I feel like it's the perfect length on me. It's kind of like a mid-axi. I've styled it with, these boots are actually Karen Millen as well, from about 2 years ago. But I just love them. I feel like a sock boot like this, which is really kind of streamlined and simple, goes really nicely, kind of carries on the cream and looks great. I love that we've got like these little slit details here on the cuffs. And I feel like it's kind of retro, but still chic and timeless and cool. So yeah, this with like the polo neck, we've got the collar here obviously. It's so like preppy, it's so cool, never gonna go out of style, just a big favourite of mine. I do quite like it with these sunglasses. These sunglasses are a bit more kind of on trend at the moment. I feel like they're quite like a 90s vibe sunglasses, and it kind of gives the whole outfit a little bit more edge if that's what you're into. But yeah, just a really big fan of this one, and actually the size small fits me really nicely. I feel comfortable in it, and it's really nice material. So big fan of this, very glad I chose this one. Okay, next up, while we're on the blue, let's carry on to this blue one. So this is a Viscose Blend turtleneck knit jumper, and again I got the size small. So a very simple but very lovely, very premium feel as well, turtleneck. I think I've got them in all different colours bar this one, hence I've got this colour now. I wore a lot of burgundy and kind of plum and browns in the winter, still in winter but more in kind of November, December, and I'm just really looking forward to kind of popping some colour in my wardrobe with through blues and greens, and then maybe even a little bit of pink actually I'm feeling, but I've yet to get a pink polo neck. I love blue. I love blue so much, and I love this outfit, and I love, if I do say so myself, the way I've styled it. So this is just my Coast white oversized blazer that I adore, that actually I've just realised needs to get dry cleaned. But anyway, let's not talk about that right now. So this is my skirt again. I was actually meaning to pair this with my white trousers. I thought, let's mix it up a bit with the white trouser, but when I put this polo neck on, and I had obviously my skirt and my boots on still from before, I just couldn't not style it with this. I absolutely adore it. Love that we've got the sleeves here, makes it a little bit different. It feels really premium quality. And then obviously, to be a little bit extra, I've just popped this on because I just love all like the same monochrome look with just the splash of blue. This one is the Viscose Blend Rib Knit Vest. Really like this. Again, it's a polo neck, and we see a trend here, but I love a short sleeve top like this, a vest with a little high neck. I just think super timeless. You can wear like a really nice pair of pearl earrings, pearl necklace or something like this, and it really makes it pop. So a very simple outfit. Everything's either ribbed here or knit. So this is kind of the theme of the order. Do you get much more timeless and classic than navy and cream? I love navy and cream. It's one of my favourite colour combinations any time of the year, but probably more so this time up until the summer. I just love it together. I think it just looks so chic and sophisticated. So just a plain navy top, really lovely. Love that it fits quite nicely. I like that it's not too long because I paired it with the skirt again, and sometimes I feel like with a satin skirt, if the top's too long, it doesn't look very nice here when it's all bunched up, but I don't think it looks too bad underneath the satin. Also, this would look amazing, I think, with a pair of nice white, crisp white trousers, maybe belted or not belted, whatever you prefer. But yeah, I just really think, definitely for me, either jeans, dark denim could work, but a nice cream bottom looks nice with this top. Okay, then let's go with the cream one, or beige, shall we say. This is called the Wool Blend Cozy Knit Long Line Jumper in Sand. Ooh, very cozy. So again, turtleneck, of course. This one is a wool jumper. Feels beautiful. I'm going to have to be very careful with how I wash this. So if you can see down the sleeve, I've got a bit of a rib section there, and then high neck. Just a really great jumper that I'll probably wear from year to year. Very timeless, but in like this really nice sand colour. So that's in a small, and I quite like jumpers a little bit big. But that looks like a nice size. Style with jeans, style with lots of different things. Beautiful. Okay, now this one is a funny one, and I'm not quite sure how it's meant to be, because when I ordered it online, the advert was a lady wearing it with some high-waisted trousers, and I have actually just gone and checked the website now as well, and it does say long line jumper, as in, I thought, is this a jumper dress? Like, I tried to style it with my boots, but the creams were slightly off, so my slouch boots, but it didn't look very good, and it was almost like a bit tight, in my opinion, to wear as a jumper dress. I wanted it to be a bit looser. So I couldn't quite understand it, because it's on the website, it is advertised as being tucked into a pair of high-waisted trousers with a tight belt, but when I try and tuck all this material into a high-waisted pair of trousers, it just looked terrible. Like, there was no hiding, you know, like all the bunch details. So I don't know if they've kind of put a bit of like held the jumper back to take the images, but it definitely was not going in a pair of pants. Anyway, I improvised. I quite like it, the long line. It's a bit different, isn't it, with a satin skirt. This is probably the only way I would wear it, other than with tights, maybe some like brown tights and then some boots that look a little bit more fitting, maybe some like black boots, things like that. Black suede boots could look quite nice with this and with tights. But I do like the glasses again with it. It is quite a cool look. I've styled it with the Karen Millen cream boots as well, but this is probably going to be my least favourite out of the 5. And last but by no means least, we've got the wool tencel, never heard of that, wool tencel ribbed knit tie detail tunic. Love this colour, and it's long sleeved, and I love the neckline on this. So obviously this one is not a high neck or a polar neck. It's a mini dress, but I thought it's kind of like a casual mini dress, look great with tights. And yeah, long sleeves, thumb hole details in here, which I really like. Love the slash neck, I think that's extremely elegant. Here we go. They've done it again. I love this colour so much. I think I've said it before, since I dyed my hair a little bit darker, I feel like this colour suits me a little bit more. Now, I will say, I do think I would probably prefer to wear kind of like a brown tight with these, but the ones I got from New Look have got ladders in, even though they're very cheap. They're like $5.99 for 3 pairs. They don't last long. So I put another order in from Amazon, and I'm a bit pale at the minute, and I feel like I look a bit dry. So I'd rather probably wear a jumper dress, with it being obviously a wintry kind of dress, to keep you warm as well with some tights on. Saying that though, I love my slouch boots with this. I feel like this kind of dress is very chic. It's a mini dress, so you get your legs out, but in a way that looks like casual and cool, rather than kind of like too dressy. I would definitely wear this for maybe like a lunch with the girls. I think I might even plan a lunch with the girls around this outfit, because I'm obsessed with it. And again, I love it with these sunnies. I feel like this kind of edgy sunglass looks really cool with this look. And I love the thumb holes. There we go, just to kind of add a bit of cool vibes. So yeah, another great dress from Karen Millen. I absolutely love the colour, and I'm very excited to try and find some moments to wear this. Hope you've liked my reel today and found it helpful. I will link all the pieces on my LTK, so you can shop on there, and you can shop the link in my bio. Have a lovely rest of the day, whatever it is that you're getting up to, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.